I'm going to try to do it within 2 sessions lah. If you can do it within 1 session, great. If not, within 2 sessions. So this will be what you requested for the other day. We're going to go through all 3. Okay. We start with very simple ones lah. This is just a warm up, so I think you would be able to do. Can you try finding mean? A and B first. You're saying can you use your calculator straight?
A is 10.
A is 10. B? 10 is correct. Okay, 10.4, great. Okay, just a moment. Now we try this 2.
One zero two.
102 for A. Yes, correct. Okay, so all this is okay. We do 3 and 4 still, and then you'll miss some of the questions, okay, but for now it's just the warm up now. It's a decimal. You know what to do, Emma? Okay, so now down here, frequency means the number of persons now. Okay, so mean, you know, is average, right? Average is total value. Okay, I just write the. Okay, this is what it's the same. Okay, it's the same as primary punya the thing. So tan, total value. This is frequency, number of things. So I can write now another triangle here. So down here now, this is frequency, and this is mean, and this is total. So if you wanna write it for secondary this way, it's the same thing. So total is total value. Mean is, yeah, the average. Frequency is the number of times, number of persons or whatever. So down here now, in order to get the mean, is total divided by frequency. Frequency, you got to add up all this, right? Because there are 9 persons who's 10 years old, 7 persons. So you got to add all this as your total frequency here. And then you got to find the value for 9 of them are 10 years old. So what's their total age? 9 times 10. 90. So the total 90. So you got to add all this up and then divide it by the frequency here. Are we okay? You try, yeah, you try. So you may need to create like another row lah, total or something like that. Huh? Total value lah, total age or something. Then after that, you take total divided by the frequency. We will go through the histogram and all that later lah, because I think that's easier, right? That one's easier. So we cover this. If we need one lesson for mean, one lesson for median mode, then we do it that way. But we do until it's until you are very, very clear lah.
$11.825.
11.825, well done. Okay. So now let's move to the next one. Now the next one, remember, down here you need to find the middle value, like 10 minus 0, you get 5, then divide by 2. So you can write that up here. What's the value up here? Total, you can write it below. You know what I'm talking about? Yes. And then what are you supposed to find? You are supposed to find the mean, the same thing. Total divided by frequency. Frequency is given here. What is frequency here? Down here is number of people traveling time. This is number of people, right? 11 persons take between 0 and 11 minutes to travel to school, for example. 12 persons, 10 to 20, and so on and so forth. So such things you will use in your work life. In work life, you surely will have something like this. Okay, so you try. You know what to do, right? So the same thing down here. This is 5. So it's 10 plus 20, 30, divide by 2, get 15. Because in order to find the value, you need to get, like, let's say, the age times the number of persons. You need to get the time, traveling time. So 0 to 10, what number do I take? 0 plus 10 divided by half of it, yes. So I think you know that part. You try.
$23.4905.
Okay, I need to ask you, do you have the breakdown of this?
Yes.
Okay, you give me the breakdown. 55, right? You get 55? Yes. Next one?
120.
120, or okay. 15 times 12, no. You try again.
180.
180. So that could account. The next one?
150.
150 or 40? 50, huh? Next one?
560.
560 or 80? I got 60. You check whether. And the last one is 360, right? If you get all this, what is your total?
$1305.
Okay. So now this is your total, and your total frequency is how much?
52.
53. so you divide by 53, you will get, what is it?
24.62.
Yes. Okay, so we can take 24.6, 24.62 as your, yeah, as your mean. Okay, so far? Okay, now we move on then. Okay. You know where this is taken from? This is your workbook, which your school is not using. You want to do in your, you have your, I mean, you say your teachers are not using the workbook, right? But you didn't buy the workbook, right? So never mind, we use this. Okay, we try question number 4. You remember how to read this, right? Okay. So the number of students who took part in the survey, how many students?
18.
Okay, good. Total number of hours. You can write your numbers below lah. Oh, but you don't have the look, sorry. You can write it on the screen also if you want to.
Nine point 39.
9.39. Well done. So your total number of hours is 169. Is it true? Okay. All right. Oh, there's one more. Oh, B is one. Sorry, 18,169 and what? 29.39. Correct, eh? Okay, well done. This one you know how to read, right? How do you read this one? Number 8. What number is this?
128.
Okay. So yeah, we try this too. Question number 5.
Two 708.
2708 is your total, correct? And then you divide it by
20.
20. So you get what?
135.5.
Okay, well done. Now this one, the next one, I'm not going to go through. Okay, but we just run through the questions. Okay, you just tell me how to do. Okay. Now, if they ask you the mean hourly wage of 7 workers is 620, find the total hourly wage. You know what to do?
620 times 7.
Okay, good. Additional worker comes in with hourly wage of 8. You add it to the total, then divide by 8 lah for your new. Yeah. Okay. So we don't need to do this lah. We don't need. We go to this one. Okay, because I want to go to those questions that you feel uncomfortable with lah. if you do feel uncomfortable with it. So now down here, this is a histogram, and they ask you for the number of adults who participated in this survey.
$51.
51. Well done. Okay. So the mean number of work hours per week.
2.94.
2.95. Okay, hold on. Now we need to have like a chart up here. So we draw a chart, right? And down here now, normally the frequency is here, right? So down here you have 8. Let me see. You have 14, right? You have 17 and 12, I think. This is what you have, right? Then you add up, it's 51 lah. Now on top here is the value range, number of work hours lah. But remember, okay, we put H lah for hours. Remember there is a range down here, so you got to take the middle value, which is how much down here? First one. Can you tell me? This one, what's the middle value?
32.5.
Okay, good. Next one.
42.5.
42.5 is down here. The one in between, 35 to 40, this one.
37.5.
Okay, and then the last one,
47.5.
okay. So this is the number of hours work. This is the frequency. So you must have the total value, which is the total number of hours. You need to find this in order to find the mean. Then you divide it by 51 lah. Right? Remember you need to have this one. Do you remember this thing? So you want to find the mean, you need to find T. Now what is T? You got to find out. So can you find out? You times, then you add the total lah. You can find the ultimate total down here.
$8,090.39.
That's the total, is it? Okay, give me the breakdown. What is the total for this one? Do you have the record?
Yes.
Okay, what's the thing?
260.
Okay, good. 260. The next one?
525.
Good. The next one.
722.5.
Okay, good. And the next one.
570.
570, right? Oh, hold on. Oops. Let's hold on. So 722.5. And then do you add all this up now? How much you get?
4126.
Something wrong now. Cannot be 4126.
2077.5.
2 what? Sorry?
2077.
0.5. That's a total lah. So now total divide by your frequency. Frequency, that's why you say it's 51 right here.
40.74.
Yes. That's the answer. 40.7, 40.74. So are you confused in any way for this one? So you must remember always there needs to be these three lah, the values. Okay, you can remember TMF lah. Let me see any other way. Yeah, TMF lah, or FTM or something like that. Ministry of Foreign. Okay, but Ministry of Foreign Trade or something. So over here you have to have total value. Otherwise you cannot find the mean. So just now I think you did not find the total value, right? You must find. You cannot miss out any of these three. This is as the same as I taught last time in primary school: total, average, and number. So of course we don't use the word frequency at primary school. It's the same thing. The number is the frequency, mean is the average, total is the same. Okay, so we move on. We move on to question number 10. Number 9 might be similar to, I think you can do. But once we have this, let us try this now. Okay, same thing. It's the same question. Don't be tricked by it. Don't be afraid of it. How am I?
4 plus 8x.
Well done. 4 plus 8x. So you get the total value. So now you want to find the mean, right? So in fact, they tell you what the mean is. And they want you to, in order to find the value, you need to find the equation. Is what in a mathematical equation?
Close to
So now you know it's like that. So you got to form this one out here. What is it? You know what to do. I mean, how do you know what to do? This formula over here, remember, total, mean, frequency. You use this. You have found a mean, correct? So you have to take total divided by frequency. You have found the total here. Do you know the frequency? What's the frequency, Emma? Huh? No. Frequency. What's the frequency down here? It's the number of what? Number of values.
4 plus 8. Wait, no, 4.
4, yes. Okay. Total is what you gave me earlier. So you just fill it here, then that's it.
Zero 0.875.
0.875. Okay, do you write it down? Can you show me do you write down your working? Can I see your working? You can either send me a photo or you just show me lah. Hold on, hold on. Event. Okay, hold on. Okay, thank you very much. Okay, now we're gonna go through now. Okay, thanks. Thank you, Emma. I got it. Where is it? I got it, but come on. Hold on. Okay. Now remember what is the formula. What's the formula for you want to find the mean? You want to find the mean. This is equals to total divided by frequency. Now, how do we know this? The triangle tells us so. All right, the triangle says total mean frequency. Now you have your mean down here. Well done. You have your total down here. Yes, good. But where is your frequency? Remember, I asked you what's the frequency. You say 4. So you got to put this over 4. Then you can do. So again, this is the question. Remember, they tell you there are 4 values. So these 4 values, that 4 here is the frequency. There are 4 numbers, 1 number, 2 numbers, 3 numbers, 4 numbers. So can you try again?
X equals 5.
X equals to 5. Well done. Okay. So again, I want you to look at the question again to take note. Once they ask you to find the value X, you need to have an equation. So if they say is 11, that means down here is 11. And they tell you mean. Then you write down what's the formula for mean. If you want to, you can write formula is total over frequency. Then you put in the value lah. Total is 8 plus 8x plus 4 over 4. Okay, so we move on. Okay, let's see. We will do question 11 next. Let's see. I think I'm going to take it this slow lah. Is it okay? We finish mean today, then we do mode and we do completely lah, I think, so that you are very, very clear on this. Okay. So we're gonna find out what's the total age of all the people, adding up all the ages. That's what they're saying.
796.
Well done, 796. Okay. What's the mean age?
$24.9.
Well done. So you divide by 32, right? Frequency is 32. Huh? Okay, good, good, good. You're getting it. Number 12. Okay, we can do number 12. It's quite easy, but yeah, you can do this. You can try.
$13.6.
Number 12, 13.6. You wrote it down? You can find it. Okay, down here, what is the total score of the 5 quizzes? There's 5 quizzes. Mean is 13.8. This is mean. This is how much you get? 69. Good. Okay, 69. And then the other one, when the mean is 13, the new mean is 13. How many? What's the frequency for this one? There's one more person, one more score. So frequency is not 5 but 6. So what's the new total there?
82.
82. 6 times 13, no?
78.
78. So you see, total marks for 5 quizzes, total marks is 69. Total marks of 6 quizzes is 78. So what's the last quiz score? You minus that.
56.
Hold on. 9, you get 9, right? 78 minus 69, you get 9. How do you get 9? But you look confused, huh? Which part are you confused? Which part are you confused? Okay, there's 5 tests. Okay, let's say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We do not know what individual scores are, but these 5 tests now, when you add up the score, it is 69. Now there's also this 5 tests, but there's also this one called the 6th test, which I'm going to draw down here. Now this one, we know that the mean score is 13. 13 times 6, you get 78. So to know what is this, because all these two are same. So you take 78 minus 69, that will give you the last one, and this is 9. 68, 69 plus 9, you get 78. Are we okay? Okay, we move on to the next one. Okay, never mind. We will have more practice on this. Don't worry. Yeah, this is just one book. Okay, we try now this one now. Okay, first of all, let us look at the. Tell me what is the frequency. Total frequency equals to. No, you read the question. Tell me. There's no thing. 40. So can you see all this frequency here? This you add up, it must be equals to 40. So can you try to do this and show that x and y equals to 21? You try?
40 minus 3.
Yes, minus 12 minus 4. Good. Do you get 21? You get 21, right? Okay, 40 minus 3 minus, yeah, you'll get 21 because this is 19 now. 12 plus 4, okay. So if you have proven, that's one way. Okay, then they tell you that the mean number of library books borrowed is 5.929. Means, you know what it means, right? It means this on average 40 students, they borrow about 5.925 books each. Now they want you to form an equation. Can you, so how to form the equation? They tell you the mean on here. They tell you the mean on here. And you want to find mean. They tell you the value mean is equals to what over what?
Total over frequency.
Good. So you know frequency, that's not ask you, you say 40. And this one is 5.925. And what is the total on here? You got to find out now. See how to find out total. Well, 4 times 3. 3 persons borrow 4 books. So they all borrowed 12 books. So you have to times them and then add and get the total value here. That total you put it here. And then you have your equation. Have you found a total here? You found a total, eh?
146.
Hold on, huh? 1 what?
1,
But you have X and Y, you know. So you 4 times 3, 12. You say you get 60, right? Hold on, huh? I just run through, you see whether you get the same thing, because you're finding now the total number of books borrowed. Why is this? Down here you get 60, right? And then now you get 6x. Okay, because we do not know what, then 7y and 32. So you got to add all them up lah. So when you add all the numbers, you can add up 32 plus 60 plus 12. What do you get?
104.
104 plus 6x. No, you cannot add those two, remember? This is 6x and 7y, you must leave it alone. So this is over 40, and this is equals to 0.5, this one now here. Now you have your equation already. You are you okay? You get what I'm saying, huh? So now you try to bring all the numbers to one side and see whether you can get this. You see, there's 6x plus 7y. We have 6x plus 7y. You have to get rid of the 40. You try to get rid of the 40. Means your equation now we have is like that. So that we are all 104 plus 6x plus 7y. Okay, and this is over 40, right? So step 1, you get rid of 40. How to get rid? You can even bring the other side or whatever. Then after bring 104 there, and then see whether does it equal to 133. Okay, all the best. Emma, just give me a moment, Emma. 1 second. Okay. Emma, do you get the answer?
6x plus 7y over 133.
Over 133. Oh, you show me, show me, or you can take a photo or you show me, either one. Okay, hold on. Okay, thank you. Okay, let us see now. Now, you have already gotten answer already, Emma. They ask you to prove that 6x plus 7y equal 123. So you just write down here, proven. You done already. Now, don't bring, if you bring it down, I'm going to ask you where's the equal. You must write equal here still. And then this is equal to 1. Why? Because 1 times 133, if let's say you want to do this, you bring it down, then this is equals to 1. But don't do this. Don't do this one. You have already proven already there. You reduce it. So are you okay? You get it? You're proven already. Okay, so down here. So remember they say, show that it reduces to 6x plus 7y equal 1. So you have done it. Okay. And now there is a simultaneous equation here. This is 1. There's another one down here. Now they ask you to solve it using simultaneous equation. Remember simultaneous equation? They want you to find the values of x and y. I think we can cover it in 2 lessons. So today we'll there's another one more question before we go to median. Okay, and we do median halfway lah. Or we can do a little bit of each, and then next lesson we do higher levels.
Y equals -7.
I equals to -7. Okay, and x equals to,
14.
and now we're going to have a problem now here. Now, if y equals -7, I can understand what's 3 students, 12 students, 14 students, but -7 students, that means the students have died. Oh, there's something wrong with the thing. Come, show me, what your working is. Let us see. Let us see. Yeah. So when you get an answer like that, you know there's something not right. Okay, let us see. Hold on. Okay, thank you. So let us see now. You have written x plus y equals 21. Good. X plus 7y. 6x, right? This is 6x, huh? Plus 7y equals 133. So now your 7y you brought over there, so must be minus 7y lah. Okay. So be careful lah. But more or less you're okay. You're okay, more or less. When you bring over, there's no minus here lah. It's 7y minus 6y, I think. Let me see. Hold on, hold on. What happened? Minus 7y. If you bring, hold on. You bring over there because do you get 7? Do you get plus 7? No. Okay, let us see. Let us see now. Let me see now. Okay, so this one is minus, right? We agree? And then let's see the top one now. This one also, you times by 6, right? You times by 6, right? And you times by 6, you get 126. Am I correct? Also, you bring the minus this over there, become minus 6y. So now down here, you have 126 minus 6y, 133 minus 7y. You bring the 7y over that side, this one becomes 7y minus 6y. This one is correct. So you get y lah, y equals to 7, finish. Are we okay? Yeah. So just be careful lah, just a little bit more. Okay, so you have found the answers again. If you find an answer like that, you must not ignore it lah. You must say, hey, how come get minus? Of course, during the process, when you want to find a mistake, it's very frustrating. Sometimes it can be frustrating, but that's what it is. It's going to test your metal. Okay, the very last question for this mean, they only have 14 questions. Okay, yes. Can you try this one? Okay, you have to form an equation because you want to find the value of x. And the clue I'm going to give you is, sorry. I'm going to give you is this one equals to mean, right? But mean of what? Mean of how many papers? 5 practice papers. The new mean lah, this new mean. Then down here is total over frequency lah. Frequency is 5 lah. Okay, then this is your equation like that. Okay, you tell me now. What is this number here? This is a number of 5. What is this mean here, value? Four papers, the mean is this. 5 papers, you increase by 1.5. So what is the mean?
4x plus 1.5.
Again, x plus 1.5, or you say 4x? You know, mean they already give you. What's mean x for the 4 papers? Now they say the mean, the average will increase by 1.5. So x by 1.5. The mean plus 1.5. It will increase by 1.5. So plus 1.5. What plus 1.5? X. Now what's the total down here? The total, you have the 5th paper. This is 5th paper. Can you find the total of the 4 papers down here? 4 papers. You want to find total, right? Total equals to mean times frequency. The mean is given here. Frequency is here. You can find a total of 4 papers. Then plus the 5th paper to get the total. Yeah. Are we together? Are we not? Okay, you find total of the 4 papers first. Down here you got 4 as a frequency. Mean is x. What's the total? 4x. 4 times 4 mean times frequency for x. That's for the 4 papers. Now for the 5th paper, you get 69. So what is the total now?
4x
Plus 69. Now you already got the equation. Can you see that? 4x plus 69 over 5 equals to this. Are we okay? Now you need to find the value of x. The challenge is 2 things. Number 1 is how to come out this equation. In order to come out, it's very simple. You know what topic are we doing? We are doing mean. We are doing statistics. So use this formula. If we are using speed, use the speed formula. If we are doing ratio formula. So down here now, you got to use this formula. And then you put in all the values. And now you need to bring the x to one side, and then you're able to solve it. Can you try this? Can you try to find what's the mean? It's going to be a decimal lah. Kalau itu apa lah, kamu mau solat ke? Buka lah. Buka. Habis tu, pasal internet ya. Okay. Apa lah?
is 61.5.
61.5. Congratulations. Okay, if you still feel you're not too sure, Emma, it's okay. Okay, but for now we finished the main topic. We will go through, this is now just the discovery, this book. Okay, we have not gotten through the think book. Why don't you, as homework, you can, if you want to, like, you can push yourself to do the think book, and you do the whole mean part. Then we can go through the next round. But if it's better if you can send me the answers before, not immediately like 1 hour before, not like 1 day before, so that I can check through and find out. If not, we can go through together like this, the whole mean topic down there. Okay, so we are going to move to median. No? Are you ready? Can take it not? You sure you can tahan 1.5 hours? Not? You look tired already. You want 1 hour? You tell your mom lah 1 hour. You prefer 1 hour or 1 hour? You look so sad now. Just scared your mom scold you.
Mm,
Who wanted the 1.5 hours? Is it you or your mom?
my mom.
So you want? Do you want to stop here or not? I'm okay to stop at 1 hour if you feel you're exhausted. Maybe if you want, just for the next 1-2 weeks, we can do another session in between. No problem. Just for you to complete the statistics. I leave it to you. I do not want to mess up. I do not know. Will your mom get angry at you? No, right? Your mom is like a friend to you, right? She's like a very strict friend. Okay, but what do you want? You want to continue? Are you okay to continue? You want to? Okay. See, as if you're forced like that. Are you forced now?
Mm,
It says all children are forced. It says I'm not a child anymore. Okay, okay. That's fine. Let's see. So median. Okay, you understand about median? That is the middle value, right? Down here, middle position. Huh? You remember, right? Okay, so there's no mean is the average lah. And then you have to arrange according to ascending order from small to big. Okay, so if it's odd numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, you can get the middle position easily. But if it's even number, you will take the center 2 and then divide the value by 2. Right? Are you okay? And the same thing down here now, if you have something like this, we got to take the this is a middle position. They call this the what is it? The class intervals. This is called a class intervals. But you can count lah. Never mind, we go through shortly. Okay, let us go through question number 1 first. Like. So warm up. ABCD can ABCD to really make sure that you are very, very clear.
18.
18. Okay, next one.
$23.
23, correct. Okay, the C you got to rearrange, jumble up. Huh? C you got C and D you got to.
$29.
29. 29 is it? But there's no 29 on here. Where you get 29 from? Are you calculating the mean or middle position? You have to rearrange. Do you rearrange? Okay, you tell me now. I write down now. Sorry?
26.
26, correct. 26 is correct. D now, D. First of all, count the number of numbers first. Make sure that because when you're rearranging something, you miss out one number, alamak, it's going to be a headache. So you make sure you have all those numbers down.
50.
50. Okay. How you get 50? What plus what? Divide by 2, you
53.
53 plus 53. Okay, let's arrange. We arrange. Okay, you tell me now, what's the first number to be here?
32.
32. Okay, and then
41.
41,
47.
47,
52.
52, 52, don't 53,
54.
54,
62.
62,
66.
66. Now, how many numbers are there?
8.
So you want to find the position 8 plus 1, divide by 2, right? Remember, you have to plus 1. You get 4.5. Now, 4.5 is in between these two numbers. This is 4, this is 5. So what to do? You have to add this. Sorry, not these two. Hold on. 32, 41, 47, 40, 48 lah. We missed out lah. 48. There's extra no 53, 50. There's 48. Sorry, 48. Yeah. So now you must take these two lah. 48 plus 53.
50.5.
50.5. Yes. Is this easy enough for you? Easy, right? So it's just being careful lah. Okay, let's try now. We clear the screen. Okay, we are going to do question number 2. We do A first lah. Number of adults who took part in the survey.
Twenty-three.
23. Do you count this one here? You counted this one? 2, 3, 3, 2, 1, 1. This one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. 5 plus 5, 10 plus 7, 17, 20, 24. Okay, 24. So now 24. Let us see. What's the next question? Next question is below here. Median number of credit cards owned. Median number of credit cards owned. The number of adults is 24. The frequency is 24. You must find out which position is in the median position. What's the formula? You want to find middle position? Take frequency plus 1 divide by 2. Always, you want to find position, right? Median position and position. Frequency is the number of whatever lah, number of people, whatever, plus 1 divided by 2. So you say 24 plus 1 divided by 2.
12.5.
12.5. So let us see. This is from 1 to 2. 3, 4, 5. This is number 3 to number 5. There's 7 here. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. This is 6 to 12. And this is 13 to whatever lah. But it's in between lah. So how? Take what?
2 plus 3 then divide by 4.
Yes, well done. So your answer is
2.5.
2.5. Well done. 2.5. Okay, number 30. Okay, we can why don't you identify? Tell me what is this? 30 children. Is it mean total frequency?
Frequency.
Frequency. And this is also frequency. See, 2 plus 5, 7, 7 plus 7, 14, 14 plus 7, 21, 21 plus 3, 24, 24 plus 6, 30. Frequency. And then the number of books read, right? Yeah, but down here you just need to find a median. Formula, remember I showed you just now? Frequency plus 1 divided by 2 to find the middle position. What's your median position?
15.5.
15.5. So which one is it? So down here you must write the positioning. There are 2 children here. So this is position 1 and position 2. Then the next one, position 3. So 5 of them. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Number 3 to number 7. This is 5 of them. The next one is number 8, right? Until 7, no. So you got 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. This is until 14. The next one is 15 to the next 7. 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. So you don't need to do the whole thing. Your answer is where? 15.5, right? You say? The position is, so it's in this position. Answer is 3. Is it okay? You look very bored lah. Why? What happened? I want to leave. Don't say that. Don't say that. I really want to leave, but my mommy. Okay, you try this. You try this, Simon. What's the meaning of class interval? You are talking about this. This is the class interval. So 160 to 165, 165 to 170, 170 to 175, 175 to 180, 180 to 185. Okay, we have 20 minutes more. That's why for online, I have normally 1 hour because normally, yeah, but I think you can take 1.5 hours. But yeah, all the best. You try 20 minutes more. You try this one. Number of boys in the class. You may need me to make it big. I make it big now. Okay, later you want to find a number of boys. This is the number of people here.
$30.
30. Okay, well done. So you got 30. Let me decrease. What's a class interval containing the median? Where is it? Can you give me, you know how to do this? Okay, give me the first one. What position is the first one? From what to what position? How many children are there here?
3.
So you start the first one to number 3 lah, because there are 3 children. Child number 1, child number 2, child number 3. So the next one will start with child number
10.
10, but there's 10 children, so you must be position now. This position 1, 2, 3. The next one position number. After 3 is
4,
4. So 4 to what?
10.
Is it you plus 10? 4 to 10. Okay, let's see. 4 to 10. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is a position. There's only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You got to add another 3 more. 11, 12, 13. This is position, you know. Median, remember, deals with position. So when you say the first, there's 3 children, they occupy 3 positions. And they are arranging like that. So this is in ascending order, right? It means from small to big. So if there are 3 children here, they occupy position 1 to 3. The next 10 must be start at 4. You cannot start earlier. You cannot say, no, let's start at 1 again. Cannot. 1, someone is taking that position. You can only start at number 4. And then how until when? You have to count 10. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There's 5 already. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Until 13. So it's not until 10 here, it's until 13. So what is the next? Hold on, let me just write down. So the next position will start with what? Down here.
14,
14. And this is how many children altogether?
11,
11. So it will go until
11, 13,
until how many? 23, is it? Let us see, we want 11, right? We can put it down, no problem. 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We want 4 more, no? 21, 22, 23, and 24. So this is the position until 24. Why 24? You see, there's 11 numbers here. You see, but 24 minus 14 is 10. You must include the 14. If you include the 14, it becomes 11. Let's say for this one, 13 minus 4 is 9. Yes, but there are 10 here. You must include number 4. 3 minus 1 is 2. But there are 3 persons here because in position 1, position 2, position 3. So this position, now you say it's 15.5, right? Position. So it will fall in which class interval? Is it A, B, C, D, C? So how do you name this thing? How do you write the answer down here? I cannot say C because they don't give you the name label C. I gave you the label C. You must say it's from the answer class interval 170 to 175. See, 170 to 175 here, right? That's your answer. Are we okay? That means, what am I saying? The median student means the student in the middlemost height, with the middlemost height, his height is in the range of 170 to 175. That's what it means. It must make sense, it must make meaning. Okay, we try the next one. Fine. Median age, you just need to look at frequency. What is the frequency?
22,
Good. So what's the middle position? Use the formula.
$11.5.
11.5. So where is that? Which one is in between 11 and 12? So you got to count lah. This one between what?
3 and 5, I think.
3 and 5. Good. So you take both values, divide by 2, add both values, divide by 2, and your answer is
74.
well done. Do you get it? You get it, right? You get it? Okay. The next one now. The next one, I suggest you write down now inside here, because if you don't do this, you may get it tricked lah. You may get tricked. You write down where is it. Don't assume this 70-year-old is going to come here. Put the position in the right positioning, and then you find what's the new median. Frequency would have changed, huh? So can you write on the screen? Where will you put this lady, 70-year-old lady? Can you indicate on the screen? But you see, this is 70, 70, 71, 72, 73, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 79, 70. Cannot be. It's not. You must do it in ascending order. Can you squeeze in somewhere? Squeeze in somewhere. Where are you going to put it? Yes. So now, what is your frequency now when this lady enters? What's your frequency?
23.
Good. Use a frequency formula to find middle position.
12.
So which one is
3.
3? Congratulations. But what is the actual? The thing is not 3, it's 73. How is it easy now, Emma? It's quite easy, right? Easier than algebra, right?
No.
No. Maybe your teacher went through too fast. Do you learn this in class, or you learn online?
Online.
Online. Online sometimes they just, well, we are doing it online. Okay, but better not say anything then. All right, we try now the next one. We try question number 6. Yeah. Question number 6. A and B. A and B. You have to rearrange it lah. But down here you are asking for the mean also, so you know what to do. Okay, this is revising the mean, and then median. You try. What's your total? Do you know how to calculate the mean, right? Total value divided by the number frequency. So what's your total value? You add all them up, eh?
I'm rearranging.
Or rearranging. Okay, okay. Then you're doing median first. No problem. No problem. Means you're doing B first, eh?
A is 7825.
Well done. So your total is 93900. Frequency is 12. Well done. So have you rearranged your median?
Yeah,
You know what's your median?
not yet. Six 650.
Well done. Well done. Okay, what we'll do is maybe the other questions we will go through next week, next lesson. Now we move on to very simple. We have only a few minutes more, so we just warm up on this one. Can you hold on? Okay, can you indicate now? This is mode, highest frequency mode. So for question 1A, 1B, and 1C, can you identify 7, B?
Don't have.
Don't have. Good. C?
55.
And
24.
24. Okay. See, so even though this is like mode, they revise the earlier parts. So they say find the median number of cells. What's your frequency?
28,
28. Are you sure?
14,
Let's count again. This one is 1. This one is 3. This one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. This one is 4. This one is 5. This one is 4, 3, and 1.
25,
25. Are you sure? 1. Okay. 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 5.
9,
9 plus 4
13,
plus 5
18,
plus 18. Yeah. Plus 4
22,
plus another. Okay. Plus 3
25,
plus
26.
1. 26. Okay. So 26. So use a formula to find the middle position. Frequency plus 1 divided by 2.
7.
7. Oh, okay. You answer the 7. Oh, no, 13.5. Is it 7? 1, 2 to 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13.5, you know. So between 7 and 8, this one for correct, nah? This is under 13. This one you plus 1, right? Then divide by 2, right?
7.5.
Okay, but down here now, you've got to be, your numbers but got to be correct. Your answer is correct, but the steps is in thousands. So 7.5 in number of steps is how many? This is 3,000, 4,000, 5,000, 6,000, 7,000, 8,000, 9,000. So 7,000 plus 8,000 divide by 2. That's what I mean.
7,500.
Maybe we stop here first and we'll continue next week. So do you prefer this is your first 1.5 hours, right? Are you exhausted?
I've had tuition for 2 hours before.
Really? Okay. But online, not online, right?
Mhm.
Okay. So okay, if you're okay, then we can continue this lah. So I will see you on okay, on is it on Tuesday, is it? Tuesday night, right? You're confused. I'm also becoming confused. But when you start your school, you're going back to school in end of June, right?
Start of July.
Start of July. Until that, then I was telling your mom that we do on Tuesday night, if possible. From we can do 7:45 to 9:15, or 8 to 9:30, and then yeah, once school start, we got to find a timing now because my schedule is like it's also scrambled lah. But I'm okay with Tuesday night or Wednesday, no, Wednesday night once school reopens. But your mom says that you have something on every Tuesday. CCA. Wednesday after that, nothing, right?
Wednesday next. Wait. Wait, let me check. Because I have vaccination also.
Okay, never mind. I tell you. What about next week? Is it Tuesday okay or not for you? You tell me lah. You just WhatsApp me. If not, we rearrange.
Yeah, can.
Can so maybe if you're okay with 8 o'clock, we do 8 o'clock. If not, 7:45. Can we make it 8? Is it okay? Because all other classes are 8 lah. So 8 to 9:30 lah. We will try to complete this whole chapter. Is it as difficult as it was before? Or getting better? Better, huh? Okay, and don't worry about next year. If you really want me to teach, I will teach. If you want lah. But I do not want that to affect you lah. There's so many other people, so many thousands of people out there. Okay, but if you really want me, then no problem. Okay, but I will discuss your mom lah. Okay. All right then, Emma. See you. Bye bye.
Bye.